I'm going to teach you three types of bridging. Now, before we start, please like and subscribe because I have a goal to reach 1K subscribers. So now, let's start. Now, first bridging we're gonna do is safe bridging. So to do that, get 6 blocks out. Then, press the place button and spread. Press them together. So, let's do it. And jump. And that's how you do it. Let's do it again. It's easy to learn because you just need to step 6 blocks or 3. So let's go to the next bridging. For the next bridging, just go at 2 blocks and then place 1 block under you. Then press place button and sprint. And let's go. And then jump. That's how you do it, the jump bridging. Now let's do it again. Go out 2 blocks, 1 block under you, and then go. And then jump. That's how you do it. The next bridging. The next bridging I'm gonna teach you is Java bridging. Just put your crosshair on the edge of block and then press place button and backward sprint. Let's go. And then jump. Oh man, I can't do it. So that's how you do it. That's all. And please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.